Have you ever been frustrated by the amount of ink your printer uses? According to a BBC report, we've all been getting a raw deal on printer's ink. On average, cartridges cost 7 times more than vintage champagne. Ouch! Well, those days are over with InkSaver. How good are you going to feel saving up to 75% every time you print? InkSaver lowers your ink consumption and can extend the life of your ink cartridges by up to 4 times. Maybe that's why it's been so well recognized and rated by PC Magazine and others. In just a second, I'll show you how easy it is to choose the ink savings you prefer from 0 to 75%. But there is one question I get a lot, which is how is InkSaver different than printing in draft mode? Well, unlike printing in draft mode, InkSaver lets you reduce the ink you're using while still printing at a high resolution. You see, a printer typically uses bigger dots and prints at a lower DPI or dots per inch resolution when printing in draft mode. But with InkSaver, you can print at your inkjet's highest DPI resolution using small dots, and because it intelligently reduces the amount of ink laid down on the page, it can reduce ink consumption without noticeably impacting print quality. Now, let me show you how this works. InkSaver's really simple to use. Let me give you a quick tour. In the top here in this drop-down box, I can have my printers, as many as I have attached to the machine. This area right here is the key. This is what lets me set how much I'm going to save, how much ink, and therefore how much money I'm going to save. It's just a little bar, and I can pull it from 0 all the way down to 75% to get the maximum savings possible. Now there's this second tab right here called Ink Savings Estimator. Now, I happen to know that for my HP printer, the cartridges, the black cartridges and color, cost $39 a piece. I go through a lot of black cartridges, so I use at least 6 a year. I'm paying for ink $390 a year. If I use InkSaver and I set it at 75%, I'll save upwards of $290 a year. That's incredible. That makes me feel really good. InkSaver works with Windows PCs and can be accessed from the system tray. It also works with all of the leading manufacturers of printers. And it comes with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Stop paying vintage champagne prices for your ink. Start putting InkSaver to work for you today.